Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to give you an update on the May opening of the Rio Aguilera Hotel in Trelawney, Jamaica. This is the hotel we're looking at. It's the seventh hotel that has in Jamaica. Now this one is under construction and it's scheduled to open on May 4th, 2024. So, guys, what do you think? Do you think it will be ready? Now, the physical construction is finished. That's the height of the building. In terms of the building will be ready. Now, it's February, so you have March. Well, it's practically March now. You have March, April, 60 days to furnish this hotel and get it up and running. Now, we'll keep you guys updated on the project, but we'll see if they're opening in 60 days. Now, Rio has a lot of hotels in Jamaica. As we said, this is the seventh one, and I must say this hotel was built very quickly, record pace. This is one of the largest construction sites I've seen in Jamaica in terms of workers working. Hundreds of workers a day were on this site. We've made videos before and commented on it. So we will keep you guys updated on the opening. Alright, so we're going to give you the latest update from Rio on this project. Visitors to the North Coast will have an even wider variety of places to stay, with Spanish hotel chain Rio Resort set to open its new 753-room Rio Palace Aguilera in Falmouth, Trelawney on May 4th, 2024. Prime Minister the Most Honorable Andrew Holness, Tourism Minister Honorable Edmund Bartlett, and Chief Executive Officer Rio Hotels Carmen Rio broke ground on the new resort's construction in April 2022. Rio Palace Aguilera will mark the seventh addition to the group's portfolio in Jamaica, 22 years after the first hotel's establishment in 2001. Speaking during a press conference at Rio Montego Bay on Friday to provide a project update, Construction and Administration Manager at Rio, Francine Wright Acosta, said the new property, which promises a luxurious experience for its guests, is 60% complete. Mr. Wright Acosta advised that the structural work would be completed by December 2023, setting the stage for the final touches to be added leading up to the grand opening. She emphasized the project's commitment to supporting the local community with a workforce currently comprising 750 Jamaicans and 200 foreign workers on the construction site. Rio's Regional Director for Jamaica, Frank Southern, said the new resort will provide employment for over 700 people, noting that Jamaicans will comprise most of the staff. The component of foreign workers in our 6 hotels together is less than 0.05%, with several of our assistant general managers in the highest categories being Jamaicans. All our heads of departments are Jamaicans and the rest of the staff as well. So in Falmouth as well, we are following the same step, he said. For her part, Rio's Director of Sales said the hotel chain's expansion reflects the unwavering confidence the management has in Jamaica as a premier tourist destination. In 2024, we're going to have 7 hotels in Jamaica. I think this speaks volumes of the confidence that the Rio family has in Jamaica as a destination, she said. Mrs. Garcia Linton informed that Palace Aguilera travel agents commenced marketing the property in July and have already secured bookings ahead of the 2024 opening. The hotel will feature an adult water park, a children's pool, water slides, swimmer pools, and 6 restaurants. Alright guys, so that is the end of the update article. So let us know what you think about the opening in May. We will keep you guys updated. We'll make give you update videos every 2 weeks. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.